Low-carb and high-fat diet help obese older adults. Scientists continue to explore the right balance of carbohydrates and fat in people's diets. But for overweight or obese older adults, a recent study found that a low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet might offer special health benefits. Researchers asked obese adults to follow an 8-week diet in which 10% of calories came from carbs, 25% from protein, and 65% from fat. Carb sources included leafy greens, non-starchy vegetables, some fruit, and high-fiber grains. Protein intake consisted of eggs, fish, pork, and poultry. Fat-containing foods included olive oil, coconut oil, nut oils, nut butter, cheese, coconut milk, and avocados. The low-carb, high-fat group lost more of the deep, hidden fat surrounding abdominal organs. They also had a big drop in insulin resistance and improved their cholesterol levels. These changes are linked with lower risk of stroke, diabetes, and heart disease. While this diet's long-term benefits are unknown, reducing carb intake could be a way for older adults to jumpstart their weight loss efforts and improve their health. This channel is made to help you know your body better. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any videos in the future about your body.